Hi, my name is Marc Broadnax, and I'm from Pottstown, Pennsylvania. And I joined the conference today, and it has been fantastic. A lot of good information on what to do to start a drone business, what the drone business is about if you don't know about it at all, how to get your 107 FAA 107 certificate. I mean, it's just been amazing. A lot of great speakers, a lot of great information, and I'm looking forward to the next 2 days. I would highly recommend anyone who's interested in getting into the drone business, getting a business going, to take this class. There's so much information out there that I had no idea about that was introduced to me, especially the marketing aspect of it. There's a lot of ins and outs that you should know when you start a drone business to be able to market it. And this has been a remarkable help. And there was some great insight.